In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I was able to create a realistic looking skin by using only two tools, graphite and charcoal powder. But before we start, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification button to be notified whenever I upload any video on YouTube. And by the way, you can find me on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Just go to the search bar, search Draw with Junior, and you'll find me immediately. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. In the first step, I'm going to use the grid method to draw the face outline. Now I'm going to need my 6B Delicious pencil for the eyes because, well, if you don't know me, I always start with the eyes.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. Promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. Promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you.
Using the brush, you are able to blend shaded areas smoothly, and that makes our drawing more and more realistic.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you.
Now it's the eyebrows time, but before we start, we are going to first dip our brush in the charcoal powder, remove the excess charcoal powder from the brush, and then blend with that. The reason we blend with the charcoal powder is so that the white of the paper does not show through in the final drawing. Now I think many people are asking themselves how I made that shadow on the face. Simple. I just did the same process of the charcoal powder. Now it's time for drawing the nose. I simply shade the shadows on the nose and then blend them using a tissue paper and a brush.
keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. Promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you.
As you see, we have finished drawing the lips, and now it's time for the chin. Yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like for more amazing drawing tutorials. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have not subscribed yet on my channel, it's your turn. Subscribe, because in the next video I'm going to bring amazing artwork that will help you improve on your art skills. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.